لأمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to this online YouTube lecture of mine. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So the topic today is the three types of sabr. So there are three major types of sabr, and we're gonna go over them now. The first is the endurance required in order to fulfill the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the second, the restraint required in order to abstain from what Allah has commanded us not to do. And the third, the acceptance of the decree of the Almighty when calamity comes in our direction. Most of the people think that the third one is actually known as sabr. Like example, when something happens, they say, bear sabr, my dear brother or sister. But in reality, in order to reach Allah, you need a lot of sabr to you. In order to abstain from backbiting, you need to restrain yourself. That's also known as sabr. In order to accept the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty, that is also known as sabr. Islam is the only religion, and this is a very good gift for us all.